Okay. What's up, guys? This is Watts with your Friday update. Uh, First of all, let's start with the most obvious things that happened, or at least the things that happened recently with the market. So I have been saying it for at least a month now that we would target 25k. Then 25k would prove as the would prove as the big resistance that would create another leg down. I've been saying it at least a month now, or more than a month, and again we reached 25k with some deviation, or 25 150, a 30-minute LG. I think I called this with my friends, told them to short, but I didn't publicly say so, and that's okay because we will have more shorts coming. So what happened with the market? So last month, as I said, the daily would rebalance around 25k, around the LG of 25k, and indeed that's what happened. The market, okay, let's take the LG of this big candle right here. Okay, you need a 0.5. Okay, so here you go, 24981.5 with a little deviation above. I think just a $200 deviation, but or 0.88%, which was not bad, which is actually pretty accurate with this. Okay, the daily rebalance was finished. And we continued to go down for at least a week, 6 days. Today's the sixth day. So I think that analysis was spot on, and we would us knowing that we would slowly grind up was really good. You know, the analysis last month was really good, and the midweek update, as we said on Wednesday, that you know it's not the bull market, and as we approach September, you should be de-risking on your longs, and for your stuff like that, because anything can happen, and this is just a bear market rally that we experience. Although this was a really good bear market rally, we shouldn't be counter trading the bear market rally, to be honest, because there were quite a few longs that we could have taken. I didn't publicly give out so many altcoin charts, just because I don't want to spoon feed you into the trades. So by your strategy, that you already know the bias, you already know the direction of Bitcoin this last month. So there was actually no point in telling you the exact entry points for alts or the exact exits. Okay, well we do know that the exact exit would be 25k, but telling you that every day would seem redundant, and you know it's not too useful information. It's not too useful to repeat over and over again. Okay, so if you follow the plan, you would have made really good profits with this bear market rally, and ended your longs or spot holdings at the top at 25k. So I do know, I know that I know that I have said that 26.5 can be on the table, but let me explain my rationale behind that. So on the H4, we closed above above 20, above this LG. Okay, above this LG, and we had this LG for the next. Okay, about we closed above this LG, but we reversed two times. We reversed three times on this one. Okay, so right here we already reversed. We already reversed right here. So we had a second reversal that would take out this LG. Yeah, that would take out this. Not yet. I think not yet. But on the third reversal, we closed below this LG. That signaled for me a change in flow, or at least target the next LGs below. So we did target this LG, and we did target even lower. H4, we did target this, and finally we targeted this 21.5k. Okay, so the next target, if we close below 21.5k, is basically the next LG that we have in mind, which is 20,680. So yeah, it's a pretty easy plan to follow. Okay, so let's update our LGs. Okay, we have that LG now, and let's see if we close below this. So if we close below this, a trade I would be taking would be this would be short 22.3k. So again, not being too bearish, or not being too married to the position, you know. We are going to play it LG to LG, as we have been playing the whole bear market rally, or the whole month, or the whole past month. That's how we have been playing this market. Okay, so the directional bias is insanely good. Okay, the directional bias on the daily is insanely good. Okay, the analysis last month was spot on, and I refer to H4 on the day-to-day basis, and 30-minute for the entries. Okay, so on the 30-minute, I did give you a short at around 20, 22, 24 to 82. 24 to 82, or until 23,561, and 23 it didn't actually give 23,709, which would have been, in my opinion, a really good short, and we would have caught the top again on that one. But nonetheless, we did manage to catch a few more shorts on the way down. So I guess compared to one swing trade with 1% risk, multiple trades with 0.5% risk on the intraday would give us more profits. Okay, so that's how I played the market recently. So I guess last Wednesday I told you guys that this may be the end, or the top, for the bear market rally, and it did exactly that. So, not to be too proud, but I guess that's a really good analysis coming from my end, and I hope that served you well. This for the past month, I've been doing these analysis. So this is a really important event in the market. Okay, so as always, uh, I did make some pretty bad some pretty bad calls, like this one, just down 4%. I was going to buy at this range, but I guess not anymore, right? And I should wait for lower, or at least spot a reversal when I see one. Okay, but right now I'm focused on Bitcoin. On the 30-minute, I have these Where's my I have these LGs that would guide me intraday wise. Okay, don't mind how many of them they are. I don't trade off of them. I don't trade off of all of them. I just trade when I see a setup or an entry. Okay. 23 190 that I gave. 23 190 gave us 1.7% bounce up until this LG. So that's a good trade. But I didn't actually give you a short at the top. I did give you a short, but it didn't hit. It didn't hit, sadly. But that's okay. Uh, no no rush with the market. Let's not lose money unnecessarily. So what do we do now with the market? Okay. If you have no edge with the market right now, okay, I suggest you just sit it out and continue learning on the side. Okay, there's no rush to making money, and there's no rush to, you know, make life changing money in this market right now, since there is this is a real PvP market, as I've been reading across some articles and stuff. And you know, just keep it safe, improve your edge or your strategy, and of course, just always improve your risk management, which is my number one rule with trading. If you plan to be a funded trader, you should be good at managing your risk. You could use any you could actually use any strategy with a decent win rate. And if your risk management is really good, you could create a lot of wealth with it. You know, uh, not to not be nah, I don't want to brag, but if you see my performance last month, this month, I have a PNL of 267% with a really low win rate, in my opinion, which is 53%. So having a high win rate isn't isn't that important unless I mean, having a high win rate isn't that important given that you have a decent setup with a decent R. So, you know, don't chase high R's too much. So 3R is enough, 2.5 is enough. Okay? Chasing high R's would sometimes be given, but not all the time. So, yeah, just manage your risk with the market that we have. This is a bear market, guys. Don't be confused if the bull market is back, okay? But you have to respect the bear market rally, as we did with our really good directional bias. Okay, this has really helped us uh, across the across in the past month. This has really helped us. I'm not gonna complain or uh, regret anything because it has been really good. So if you want, okay. So I think that's it for the Friday update. You know, so let's see if there are some setups. I really doubt there are. So I would be shorting ETH on the bearish retests. I will be shorting ETH up until 1.4k and 1.1k and lower. Okay. Um. Yeah. Let's not get ahead of ourselves and call a lower leg, but let's play it LG to LG, like what we have been doing for the past month that has served us well and that has made us money in the bear market. Okay, do you know how amazing that sounds, making money in the bear market? So you, even if you're only 10% up in the bear market, you are already outperforming a lot of people. I know a lot of people got liquidated, and and were super risk on with the bear market rally, and they just straight up got wrecked. And yeah, it's a pretty bad experience. So I hope none of you got liquidated this rally, and let's continue to trade level to level. Okay, and that's it for this Friday update. I'll catch you on the next one. Maybe at Monday, so that Monday through Friday, uh, we have 3 days in between. Not unlike Wednesday and Friday, we only have a day in between, so not much would happen except this week, I guess. A lot has happened this Friday. So yeah, good luck to your trading, and DM me or tag me in the Discord if you have some questions. Okay, goodbye. See you on the next one.